Now we'll try one more question with a minor difference. A random sample size 36. Question number 9 is here. Sample size, it means small n is 36 here, was taken from a universe. Universe means population, that is 1000. It means capital N is given here, and it was found that the sample average means mean, that is 20, and the variance, it means s square, that is 16. How will you examine that the average in the universe is 22? Now average 22 universe, you have to check it out. So first of all, step 1, parameters and statistics. Small n, capital N. So small n is given 36. Sample size, universe size, capital N is given. Average sample 20. Mu is equal to 22. Universe average is called mu, that is 22. Variance is 16. Variance means sigma square, it means V or S square, it can be called 16, but what we need here only sigma. So what will be there? 4. Okay, because 4 का रूट क्या होता है हमारे पास में? 16 का रूट होता है 4. Everything is done. Yes, now we can do step 2. Hypothesis H0 H1 x bar is equal to mu, x bar does not equal to mu. Step 3, difference x bar minus mu. So x bar is 20, mu is 22. Your answer will be 2. Here the answer you will get in minus, but we have to put it in plus because determinants are there. If there is determinant, that any of the answer cannot be written in the minus. Step 4, SE. The formula for that is root n, but where there is capital N, then you have to add something else, n minus n and n minus 1. बट दोनों सम के अंदर सिर्फ इतना सा डिफरेंस है कि ये n एक्स्ट्रा जुड़ जाएगा, बाकी सेम एज इट इज. सिग्मा इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? 4. कैपिटल इज इक्वल टू 36. The root of that 1000 minus 36, 1000 minus 1. 4 upon 6, 66, 36 का स्क्वायर रूट कितना होता है? 6. 1000 minus 36, 964 will be there, and 999 will be there. So 964 is divided by 999. So 4 upon 6 multiply with 0. Root of that 964 is divided by 999. जो भी है उसका रूट भी साथ में ही कर ही देते हैं हम. 0.9823 multiply with 4 divided by 6. 0.6 6. 6548, so that will be converted into 6. Step 5, zcal difference upon SE. Difference was 2 and SE is 0.66. So just check it out again. 2 divided by 0.6548, 3.05 is there, or it can be calculated as 2 divided by 0.66 directly, then 3.03 will be there. So we will doing that. Step 6, zcal and ztab comparison. Zcal is 3.05. Here we'll take 5% level of significance, 1.96 at 5% level of significance. It is greater, is there is greater than sign, so the hypothesis is rejected. Okay, this type we can solve the second method. We have done now 2 sums of method 1, that is enough for your understanding. If you want to do more sums of this method, then you have any query, you can ask me. Which sums you can do in this method is I am telling you here. Question number 10. Question number 10. 11, 12, 13 is something different. You should try for that. The basic 11th statistics is used there. Okay, 10, 11, 12, 13. These 4 sums are of this method. You can try.